This is the recipe for carrot tomato salad, also called as Kosumalli in Tamil. So we need carrots, 2 to 3 grated, tomato, finely chopped 2 tomatoes, and then you need moong dal and peanuts. So it'll be good if you can soak the moong dal and peanut first for 15 minutes. Then once they're soaked, you can add the carrots and tomatoes to a bowl, and then you can add the soaked dal and peanut. Just wash it nicely, and then you can drain the water and then add the nuts here. Then add the required amount of salt and also lemon juice if you would like it to be tangy. And then you can add tempering. So just take a half teaspoon of oil with mustard seed, urad dal and green chili, and then let it pop. Once it's done, you can add it to this salad mix and give everything a good mix. Now just take some coriander, finely chop it, and then you can garnish it with coriander leaves, and now it's ready to be served.